So now I want to install in the Maven software and Java software. And it is available or not, we can check. Okay, now I want to entering into sudo su hyphen. So root path. Now I want to go to root path. So before I am in EC2 path. Now we can check git hyphen hyphen version. So git software is available, not available. So now I want to implement the project. So this is the application. Okay. So this is a application. This application will helps to, okay, this is a code. This code will application, this completely this code was built purpose. Okay. So actually Java developers already developed by the code and pushing into GitHub account. Okay. Now he entering into work in DevOps engineers. DevOps engineers work and responsibility, just understand the code, build the code, actions the code, and modifications the code. Don't write from scratch to end the course. Okay, only DevOps engineers we have to handle the course only, like this code is valid or not, this code is test or not, this code is analysis or not. So these kind of scenarios we have to implement it. Okay. Now I want to create one repository. Now I want to upload the code into this organization. Okay. Now I want to create one organization. I want to create one repository. I want to upload a code into this repository. So I don't have a multiple branches. Now I want to straightly I'm using in this branch, but you have to use in development branch and dev2 branch only. Okay. I'm not using branches directly straight away I'm using, but you have using in demo branch only. Okay, now I want to modify the code. So what are the modifications? So first I want to cross check the code, all the configurations is available, stages is available, and steps is available, dependency resolving is available or not, everything I want to cross check. Yeah, everything is fine for. So now I want to clone it. So cloning purpose, this option I want to use it. See this, clone it. Okay. You don't have repository, no? Just you can download this code. You can upload the code. Okay, now we can download this code. So now I want to check this. So without so first of all I want to clone the application. So cloning purpose Git software is mandatory. Without Git we can't do that anything, because Git software is mandatory, right, in the cloning application purpose. So now I want to install the Git software. Okay, Git software. MVN hyphen see the version is available, Apache Maven 3.9.12 latest version, Apache Maven 3.9.12 Java version also available, and the version also available, Control L. So now I want to create one directory. Okay, the directory name is mkdir. So directory creation purpose using the command is mkdir, make a creation of directory. Okay, now I want to give the one name. The name is projects. Okay, the name is projects. Okay, so now I want to create one directory. The directory was available or not? Yes, now available. So what is the use of cd command, guys? Cd is a change the directory. Now I want to entering into this directory. Okay, change the directory. Now I want to entering into this directory. So once you can copy now, automatically it's working. See, cd space, and you can go to projects. cd projects. Okay, mkdir projects, ls projects. Now I want to go to cd projects. Okay, only one space you can give. Okay, multiple spaces don't give. Now I am entering into this projects path. Before I am entering into root path. Okay, now I am entering into projects path. So now I want to give the pwd command. Pwd means present working directory. So your present working directory, where is that present working directory? This projects path is present working directory. Now I want to give the ls. What is the ls? List of the files. Okay, list of the files. Now I want to install the Git software. Okay, yum install git -y. So this command available into Google also. Okay, this command available into Google also. So how to check? Straight away you can go to Google, okay, and give the just command. Just you can download the git now automatically. Install git hyphen web. So directly this command will helps to installing the git, okay, sudo yum update file. This mission is completely update the mission purpose. See, sudo yum install git hyphen y. This command will helps to installing the git software, okay. Now I want to share that link into in your chat box. Just you can use it, okay. I want to send the one link, and that link available into all the softwares and all the configurations, okay. Understand? So how to install the git? Yum install git hyphen y. Now I want to installing this software in git software. So this is a Red Hat mission. So now first time I'm installing the git software into in this mission. So it's installing. So it's audible, visible clearly, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
See,
Yes, ma'am.
now
Yes,
I
ma'am.
want to check the git hyphen version command. Okay, thank you for responding, guys. Git hyphen version. Okay. Okay. Now git is available or not? This command is not working. Again hyphen I missing. So observing that. Now it's visible. Again I'll give the git hyphen hyphen version. Okay, it's visible. Guys, one thing I will tell you. If in case any upper commands and lower commands is available in your work, okay, suppose you have to do. So that time whatever the process you have to implement it. Now see the keyboard in up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. See your keyboard, up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow is visible, right? So if in case any times you can work into this tab, na, you can click on up arrow, upper commands is visible. You can click the down arrow, down commands also visible. Now down commands is not available. Mostly up arrow you can click, na, upper commands is visible. See, upper commands. No need to type, no need to write. Okay. So upper commands only it's visible. Upper commands only it's visible. Okay. So this is an upper commands. Now directly we have to use it. Okay. So now we have to check git version. See, once give the up arrow, na? So now can give the down arrow. See, whatever the commands now I want to check. See, all the commands is visible. See, git hyphen hyphen version. Okay. In every time don't write the commands. Just you can use up arrow and down arrow. Automatically the commands is visible. Now it's using. It's working automatically. Okay. So that is a way of scenario. And next I want to clone the application. So how to clone the application? So I'm using git clone. Okay, git clone. So I'm installing the git software. I want to clone the application. In every time you have to use the only branches only. Don't go to main branch. Just you can click the dev branch. You can use the clone. Okay, straight away don't go to main branch. You can create already branches also there, right? So you can clone it. Now I want to use this application, right? I'm not using this application. So first I want to build another application. Okay, that application is available, and going to back one step, and yeah, these are my organization of projects, and I have two codes. So now first I want to take this code. Now I want to clone it. Okay, once I want to clone the application, see, if you want to create the two branches in this code also, guys. Okay, I will give this code also. This is a standalone application. This is a pom.xml file also available. This file released in jar file. Okay, web application is var file. Okay, now I want to clone this application. See, clone it successfully 100%. I want to clone this application. See, observing that. Now I want to entering into standalone application. See this standalone application. See enter ls. See what are the files available. So some files was available, Docker file, Jenkins file, main file. Okay, so these are the files available. So this architecture is completely it's visible now. So one command is available. So if you want to install the T software, m install tree architecture files is visible. In the tree type of model pattern, architecture is visible. Okay, see you can give the tree command. See the architecture observing that. See whatever the code inside of the code, so complete configuration also available. See this. This is the code, right? Okay, see architecture observing that. See SRC, main file, Java file, COM file, empty file, Docker file. See, these are the all files also visible, guys. Okay, see this. Everything is visible, right? Inside of the folders. So that is a standard error application. Okay. So this is the pattern cloning the application. Now I want to build this application. So how to build this application? Using the command. So Maven commands is Maven commands using in build purpose. Maven clean package. Clean package. Maven clean package. Now I want to use it. See observing them. In case any code issues na, if in case any identical issues na, build was failure. Otherwise build is successfully done. Okay, the code is successfully built. Otherwise any kind of issues you can face na. See this jar file is released. Okay, so Maven web application. See this jar file. See this jar file. Okay, Maven standard error application test running cases is passed. So available. See ls. See all the file is available. So once first time I want to build the code na 9 seconds. Now I want to give again Maven clean package 8 seconds. Some few seconds. See the jar file is released. Observing that. Okay, 3 seconds. 3 seconds it build the code. Okay. So build the code. Next ls. What are the files available? See ls. Some files. So now I want to go to these files. Okay. So cd target file. Now I want to go to target file. Cd target. Okay. So inside of the target file, what are the files available? We can check, cross check. Which files available? See, this is a classes file, and these are the all default files, guys. Okay. I am not creating. These are the all software files. So now I want to entering into back one step. Yeah, previous part now I am available. So now again Maven clean command. So clean the packages. Shortest message is visible. Observing it. Maven clean. The shortest message is visible. Once we can use the Maven clean, the shortest message. Observing that 0 seconds. You can use Maven clean. Short